Hey, what's going on, guys? How's it going? It's your boy Broadway J here with Kickz and Beatz, the channel on YouTube, and today we're going to be unboxing the Zyons. Alright, baby shark, you already know what time it is. Do you know what's inside?
Yeah.
What's inside?
Wow!
What's inside?
Wow!
What's that?
That's sneakers.
You got it. Sneakers once again, buddy.
Oh my god.
Let me help you out. Shout out to Goat, by the way. That's the source for this one.
Wow!
Ooh! What do you think?
What do you think?
I like them. Do you like them?
Yes.
Is this a cop?
Yes.
Yeah, it definitely is. Check it out, guys. The Zyons. Sorry this wasn't a quick review, but to be honest with you guys, I really wasn't interested in these guys at all. Somebody else wanted it in this household, so I decided to pick it up for them. Check it out. I got some sunlight hitting these, so just so you could try to get a glimpse at the coloring. People have been saying on the internet that this is burgundy that they see. If you ask me, I'm confused on this one, guys. I feel like it's a mix, like in between burgundy and like some sort of grape. I don't know, but it's not purple at all. Yeah, somewhere in between grape and burgundy. You know what? We'll just leave it at burgundy. Very confusing color when it comes to this colorway, but it does look amazing the way it's been put together. It's been well put. Let's check it out. Damn. Look at the stitching. What is that? I really don't know if my eyes are deceiving me right now, but this looks like navy blue. Check that out. That stitching in the center, you see that? That line? It all looks like navy blue, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, but it looks like some sort of navy blue. Obviously, there's grays in here. It's definitely grays, white. People have stated that the stripe is not black, that it's more like a dark brown. I guess. It looks black to me. Yeah, check out the inside. Check out the midsole. I like the midsole. Fresh. Yes. Oh man, what do you guys think? Cop or drop? Me personally, I say it's a drop just for one reason though. I am a huge fan when it comes to the, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. It's missing on these. The pull tab. Big fan of the pull tabs, and they didn't hook it up with it, but it's all good. Amazing colorway, for sure. Leave your comments below. Is this a cop or is this a drop? Did you cop already? Are you about to? Let us know.